set, go.
Nobody likes to lose.
I see these little 10-year-old kids doing it, and I get really frustrated and want to break their wrist or something. But I'll probably go up and re-register and try it one more time.
As you can see, the regional contests were open to all ages, but the adults were soundly trounced by the kids. And tonight's 9 finalists are all between the ages of 9 and 19.
There will be 2 rounds. In each round, each of the 9 finalists will be given a new cube to be solved. All of the cubes in each round have been scrambled to identical patterns. There's a 1-minute time limit, and each finalist's best time for either round will be counted as his or her official score. There will be 1 winner and 3 runners-up.
The contestant with the fastest time will win $2,000 and will represent the United States in the world competition next year.
Our judge is Mort Snyder, Senior Vice President for Ideal Toys, and his decision will be final.
Now let's meet the first 3 contestants.
First, the winner of the Boston Senior Competition, Holden Thorpe. Holden is 17. He comes from Fayetteville, North Carolina. Next is David Conradi. David's 19. He's from Denton, Texas. Our last cubist in the first group is Michael Mandel, age 13, from Oak Park, Michigan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The best time for the first group was 48.73 seconds by Holden Thorpe, and that's going to be the time to beat.
Our next 3 cube solvers are in place. First, we have 9-year-old Jonathan Shire from Sharon, Massachusetts. Next is Minh Thai, 16 years old, and a resident of Los Angeles. And filling out the second group, we have Tom Neerman from Columbia, Illinois.
Whenever you're ready, start the timer. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Minh Thai solved the cube in 38.99 seconds, and that's a new time to beat.
Here are our last 3 cubists in the first round. First is Chris Wunderlich, age 16, from DeKalb, Illinois. Up next is Lance Ahrens, age 15, who traveled all the way from Massapequa Park, New York, And our 9th Rubik's master comes from the Bronx. He's 15 years old, Jeffrey Verrazano.
All right, Mort, would you start the timer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Seconds. Round 2 is coming up. Can anyone beat Lance's time? We'll find out right after these messages. Each of our 9 finalists will have one more chance to beat Lance Aaron's best time of 32.05 seconds. At the end of this round, whoever has solved the cube in the fewest seconds wins the U.S. title.
In the first round, Holden Thorpe from North Carolina solved the cube in 48.73 seconds. Michael Mandel, who hails from Michigan, took the full minute and couldn't complete the cube. And David Conradi from Denton, Texas, didn't finish either.
When you're ready, start the clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The best time for this heat was 34.11 seconds by Mike Mandel, and that means that Lance Aaron still leads with a time of 32.05 seconds.
The first round, Jonathan Chire, age 9, from Massachusetts, was unable to solve his cube in under a minute. Minh Thai from Los Angeles solved his in 38.99 seconds. And Tom Neerman from Illinois couldn't finish within 60 seconds.
All right. Contestants ready? Mort, start the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 26.04 seconds. That means that Minh Thai moves from 3rd place into 1st place. We have a new leader. If none of our last 3 cubists can beat that time, Minh Thai is our champ.
Well, this is the last heat. In the first round, Chris Wunderlich from Illinois was unable to solve her cube. New York's own Lance Aarons did it in 32.05 seconds. And also from New York, Jeffrey Verrazano, who did it in 43.22 seconds. Here we go. Okay, John?
All right, Mort, start the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, the best time for this heat was 28.96 seconds by Jeffrey Verrazano. That means the winner of the U.S. title is Minh Thai with a winning time of 26.04 seconds. Congratulations, kid.
Come on, we'll take it over here. Let's go over here.
Now, the authority are proud to present to you this trophy as the national champion of Rubik's Cube.
Thank you very much.
And along with that, to go right along with that, we have a check for $2,000.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations.